Oh, now it's over. Now it's over. Oh! Whoa! Can you do it? Oh! Wait a minute. Oh, that's for Rocky. That's right. Whoa!
Oh my, I think my head just split open.
Not what you were doing before. What are you doing? Oh, I'm gonna get it. Oh, Rocky, I'm a cat. Can you give me a hug? Can you give me a hug? Whoa.
That's like trying to hug Rocky after you give her catnip.
What do you think? Are you gonna work with big cats? Like Siegfried and Roy?